Good morning. Our today's topic is totality of symptom. In this, we will see what is the totality of symptom. You must have heard the name of totality of symptom. See, totality of symptom means total number of sign and symptom of that particular case. उस केस के A to Z सिम्टम्स सिंपल लैंग्वेज में यदि देखा जाए तो दैट इज टोटलिटी ऑफ सिम्टम, जो कि उस केस की सिकनेस स्टेटस को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, राइट. सो वी कैन से दैट टोटलिटी ऑफ सिम्टम is the total number of sign and symptom of that particular case which represent the nature of the sickness of that particular disease. That is the totality of symptom. अब यदि totality of symptom को देखा जाए तो ये 4 या 5 तरह की होती है. First is numerical totality, second is characteristic totality, third miasmatic totality, fourth analytical totality, and fifth repertorial totality. So 5 types of totality of symptoms are there. First we will take one by one. First is numerical totality. Now what is numerical totality? As its name suggests, numerical means the total number of sign and symptoms of the patient which are written is numerical totality. One more important thing is in numerical totality is they are written without any sequence. This totality is written without any sequence. So there are 2 things in numerical totality. First is total number of sign and symptoms, and second important thing is it is written without any order. So that is numerical totality. Next is characteristic totality. Characteristic totality means only characteristic symptoms out of that numerical totality is the characteristic totality. So what we did, we have taken all the characteristic symptom from the total numerical totality and we have listed, and that becomes the characteristic totality. Now third is miasmatic totality. Miasmatic totality is a list of symptoms grouped according to SORA, syphilis and psychotic symptoms. This becomes the miasmatic totality. Suppose in numerical totality, for example, 30 symptoms are there. So out of 30 symptoms, how many symptoms belongs to SORA? How many symptoms belong to psychosis, and how many symptoms belongs to syphilis? That becomes the miasmatic totality, right? Next, analytical totality. Now what do we mean by analytical totality? Symptoms which are arranged according to some plan. Symptoms which are arranged according to some plan as per different authors' philosophy is analytical totality. Say for example, according to Kant, we analyze the symptom according to Kant philosophy in the mental general, physical general and particular. So if we analyze the symptom according to Kant, we will divide symptom in the mental general, physical general and particular. In another case, if we repertorize the case according to Gunningson method, then we have to analyze the symptoms according to Bonheusen. So what we will do, we will analyze the symptom according to location, sensation, modalities and concomitant. So according to author, according to philosophy, we analyze the symptom, that becomes the analytical totality. Now last is repertorial totality. What is repertorial totality? In repertorial totality, what we do, we convert the symptom in the repertory language for the purpose of repertorization. For the purpose of repertorization becomes the repertorial totality, or I can say that it is the rearrangement of totality of symptom according to repertory used and method used. That is repertorial totality. Repertorial totality is also known as repertorial syndrome also. It is also known as repertorial syndrome also. Repertorial syndrome. Now, repertorial syndrome, it is a hypothetical term which is used as an aggregate group of symptoms which are used for repertorization. So, repertorial syndrome is the hypothetical term which is used as an aggregate symptom which is used for repertorization. So I hope it is clear that totality of symptom in short. So there are 5 types: numerical, characteristic, miasmatic, analytic and repertorial totality. In numerical, total number of sign and symptoms without any order are written, that is numerical totality. Characteristic totality, only characteristic symptoms out of that numerical totality is characteristic totality. Miasmatic totality, in this symptoms are grouped under sora, syphilitic and psychotic. Measles becomes the miasmatic totality. Analytical totality, we analyze symptom according to author, according to philosophy, that becomes analytical totality. And repertorial totality, in this symptoms are converted into repertorial language for the purpose of repertorization, or we can say that it is the rearrangement of totality according to repertory used and method used. So this is all about the totality of symptom. I hope it is clear to you now. Thank you very much.